Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to bulk send documents to a large number of recipients in BoldSign. Bulk send allows users to send the same document to a large group of people simultaneously for signature or review. Sending a document individually to each recipient can be time-consuming and tedious. Bulk sending streamlines the process by sending the document to all recipients at once using a CSV file. Bulk sending allows senders to manage signer details, authentication, default values for fields, messages and titles, CC details, and tag details through the CSV file. Let's consider a scenario where a real estate agent is tasked with sending lease agreements due for renewal in the upcoming month to tenants. The agent has a database containing the names and email addresses of all tenants. To streamline the process, the agent has updated the lease agreement template with the necessary changes. Now the agent needs to distribute the new lease agreement to all tenants for renewal. Instead of individually sending the document to each tenant, which is a time-consuming task, the manager chooses to use BoldSign's bulk send feature. Let me demonstrate how the manager would use BoldSign's bulk send feature. The initial step is to access the BoldSign application page. Here I click the Create New button and select Create New Bulk Send, which directs me to the Prepare Bulk Send page. In the Choose a Template section, I must upload a template containing the necessary form fields. An error notification will appear if a template lacking form fields is uploaded. I have already prepared and saved their annual lease agreement template. To upload the template, I click the Browse Template button, which opens the Choose a Template dialog box. Templates are categorized into 3 sections: All Templates, Shared with Me, and Created by Me. I locate their annual lease agreement template in the All Templates section. I can preview the template by selecting the Preview option, but since I know I want to use the template, I click Use. The template is successfully uploaded, and the Download Sample CSV file and Upload Recipients Data CSV sections appear. The roles present in the template are automatically displayed in the Add Recipients section and cannot be edited or deleted. The assigned roles and language cannot be altered either. Next, I need to add a CSV file. If you have already created a CSV file, you can directly upload it using the Upload Recipient Data CSV button. Since I haven't prepared the CSV file yet, I need to create one. To do this, I move to the Download Sample CSV section. Here the optional fields that can be added to the CSV file are displayed. In this case, I need to add tag and private message fields for managing documents and sending messages to recipients respectively. I select these options and click the Download Sample CSV button. Once I have added all the details to the CSV file, I save it and upload it from my computer by clicking the Upload Recipient Data CSV button. If the uploaded CSV file does not match the format of the downloaded sample CSV, an error message will indicate an incorrect format. After uploading the CSV file, the Verify and Import CSV dialog box appears, displaying the total number of recipients in the file. If any details in the uploaded file are incorrect or incomplete, I'll be notified, and the Incorrect or Incomplete section will be highlighted. I can edit an incorrect field by locating the section, double-clicking it, and entering the correct details. Since the recipient's details are correct and in the required format, I proceed by clicking the Import button. The file is uploaded successfully, and I can preview it at this stage. If I imported a CSV file needing modifications, I can edit the file by clicking the Edit option. I can also re-upload or remove the CSV file. Next, I add the legal advisor's details as the CC recipients in the Add CC section. If different CCs are required for each recipient, CC recipient details should be added individually in the CSV file. The bulk send title, document title, and document message are updated in their respective fields based on the details in the chosen template. Both the bulk send and document titles can be modified if necessary. The common message can be edited, unless the chosen template settings restrict editing or deletion. Next, I need to check the form fields in the chosen template document. To do this, I click the Preview button. This takes me to the Document Preview page, where the document setup is displayed. I can only preview the form fields available in the template. I cannot add any new form fields. The CC section shows the details of any CC recipients added. CC recipients details from the CSV file, and the Add CC section will be displayed here. Finishing my review, I exit the document preview page. After ensuring all changes are in order, I proceed to send the documents in bulk for signatures by clicking the Send button. The bulk send is created successfully, and the document will be sent to all recipients at once. Following the creation of the bulk send, I can monitor its status on the My Bulk Send page. That summarizes how to send documents in bulk in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.